G. Today we're back on another video, and today, man, as you can see, I'm stuck in a box.
What?
Let me out. Neighbor, are you there? Oh no. So yeah, there's a bunch of buttons in this box, and one of them are the escape button.
Yeah, what do you got to do to get out?
You gotta press the escape button.
Which one's the escape button?
I don't know.
All right, so what's gonna happen if you don't press the right button?
Disgusting things.
And how much money you think you can win?
10,000 bucks.
Nope. So you guys,
How much?
in this challenge, you have a chance of winning up to 500 bucks. You have two options. You can press the button and whatever you hear, you let it be thrown onto you, or you can choose to pass it, but if you pass that, you lose money. And if you press one of the buttons, which is the pass button, you lose money too.
Yeah.
So are you up for the challenge?
Okay, yeah, I'm up for the challenge.
I can't hear you.
I'm up for this challenge.
What about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm up for this challenge, but I already know where the exit button at. You know what I'm saying?
Where's the exit button?
Don't worry about that. I know how to get out.
If you cheat, you will not win $500.
That's it? That's all we playing for?
Yeah.
$500? It's supposed to be
that's a lot for me.
$10,000.
The most money I've ever gotten was 1,000.
What's going on with your head, bro? What is that?
Yes, this is my protection.
Wow, you look like a noob.
All right, let me press the button.
All right, guys,
Wait,
let's get into it. Don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe.
Hit that little bell, and let's go. I bet I'm gonna escape first. So we're gonna do a rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who goes first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Boom! Got you, boy. Best 2 out of 3?
Sure.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Woo!
Classic first.
Woo! Are you ready?
Let's get it.
All right, so go ahead.
I'm not first. He first. He
Yeah.
lost.
Oh, she said you go first since you lost.
Water!
Water. It's
No,
just
no.
water. You ready? It's gonna be ice cold,
No.
chilly
Yeah, take it out there.
water.
What's going on over there?
Ah! 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 Okay, that's enough! Ah! Oh! So cold.
All right, so
Dad.
I'm trying to figure out where the exit sign at. What? Ah! Oh, there's nothing.
I should have got that. Here we go. Pasta, yes! Oh, something not bad. Your turn, noob!
You lose $25. So far, Super Siah has 50 bucks.
Let's go!
How much I got?
You have $0 because you had $25 from the last the noodles that you had.
Mhm.
25 bucks was $0 now. Sorry, sir.
Oh my God!
Cereal! Oh! Oh no! Hey!
That's cheating.
Let's go. Your turn. Your turn.
My turn?
Yes, sir. Chips.
Oh hell no!
Okay.
Yes.
So, do you want to get $25 and get chip, or would you like to pass?
Give me my $25.
$25.
It's
Dunk it.
chips. I was hungry anyway.
Milk.
Milk. Do you want to get
No.
$25 or no
No,
milk?
no.
So you're gonna
I don't
lose
want.
it.
Oh no, I'm no more liquid.
All right. So 25 minus 75 is what, Siah?
50.
So you have $50 since you want to pass on the milk. Next,
Water.
water.
Let's go.
Would you like to be dunked or lose 25 bucks?
Hold on. Let me eat some chips first.
Please dunk the water.
Ah! Oh no! Okay.
See? Here, let's do this. Cereal.
Cereal again. Do you want cereal?
Yes. Of course.
Dunk the cereal. So you're back at 75 bucks.
More cereal.
You have lost $25.
I hate this game. I hate it. How did I lose money already? I just gained my money back and I'm losing it. This is not fair.
My turn.
Syrup.
What? I need to exit.
No!
How does it feel to have syrupy syrup goo?
It's alright.
It's all right. Do you feel sweet?
Yes.
I need to exit.
Super Dad, it's on
Exit.
you. Syrup.
Ah!
Dad, you're gonna hate it. I hate it.
No.
So do you want to pass
No.
on 25?
Take my money.
How much money was that?
$25 I had left. Take it. I'm at 0. I don't care. Take it. I don't want no syrup on me.
Coffee. Would you like to get coffee poured on you or
Is it
not?
hot?
No, it's not hot. Why would I pour something hot on you, sir?
It's good.
Pour.
Four.
So you now have a balance of $100.
Oh, I thought it would be liquid. That's better. Yay!
It looks like dirt.
Ew, it smells like coffee in here.
Yeah. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix.
I need to exit.
That's perfect.
Press the next button. Milk.
Yes or no?
Yes or no? You currently have a 0 balance, and just so you know, you get punished at the end. So
You get punished for what?
for having too many no's. If you make it to negative balance, you get punished.
Oh my.
So you're already at 0. Would you like to be negative balance?
No.
So
I need some
pour
money.
the milk.
Where is this thing coming from? It tastes like milk and coffee.
Are you ready?
I got $25 for this.
Marshmallow. You're about to be $125 richer. How does it feel?
I'm rich.
What this damn exercise?
Yes. And I'm...
Marshmallows.
Get out of here.
Save me a marshmallow, please. Save me a marshmallow, please.
Starting to forget the buttons I pressed.
Lemon juice. So far, you are losing, and you are going.
How much does he have?
$125. Ugh, look at that mess that you have around you. Ugh, you stink. Lemon juice or no?
Lemon juice?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay. Ooh, you look like you got pee on you. Ugh. Any of you guys found the exit yet? Obviously not.
She
If you
didn't
still
put
trapped.
the exit sign in here. She lied to us. She lied to us.
Alright, I'm ready.
Push a button. Ketchup.
No.
No. So you lost $25.
So he's
It's
at
a-
100, and I'm catching up. My turn. Exit.
Sprinkles. Let's sprinkle some sprinkles on the sprinklers. dude.
Yeah, give me the sprinklers. I need to catch up and
So
make
now-
my money back.
So now you're at $75. How do you like being sprinkled? You look like a nice cupcake there. Press the button.
Exit!
Wow, you got one! You won! You won! Oh my god, you're dropping dust all over me, bro. Oh my gosh.
Here.
You're out. It looks like you have lost. The punishment for you is you're gonna get everything that Super Siah had dunked on him, dunked on you. Or you would like to choose what he
Yes.
gets? What do you mean?
Ketchup and mustard!
No.
Ketchup and mustard as
Yes.
a punishment.
Yes!
Ketchup and
Yes.
mustard
Yes.
as a punishment.
No.
Yes! Do it right now!
Ketchup.
No.
Yes!
Let's go.
It's disgusting.
Ketchup time.
Ah, ah, ah.
Bro. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at this mess.
So happy we did the challenge. I'm rich! I'm rich!
I did did this for nothing. I ain't even get money. I got nothing out of it. Guys.
If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Dad, how you feeling?
Feeling disgusting.
I feel disgusting too. See you guys on the next one. Ready, yeah. Reach high to the sky. Take the chance, don't be shy. You gotta reach up high, touch the sky.